What up, what up, what up, what up, what up? This is HG Manufacturing, and today I wanted to show you the first big project for the company. This is a 1966 Fastback Mustang tube chassis drag car. So yeah, completely pure race car. The goal for this thing is to show off a lot of the HG Manufacturing products, develop a few new ones, and have some fun racing and showing off the brand and doing what we can. I've always wanted a 66 Fastback Mustang. Just like the body style a lot. Of course, I like the 67s and 68s a lot too. But this one happened to pop up for sale pretty much as it sits. It's a big tire tube chassis car. It's not completed. There's still a lot of tin work that needs to be done in it on the inside. But it's a factory 66 body, basically from the firewall back, the doors, the roof, all this stuff is factory steel. They did put they grafted in some fiberglass fender flares, which look good. This is a fiberglass one-piece front end. It pins right off, the whole thing comes off. But you can see in here, it's all tube chassis, big tire tubs. Some of that tin work's just not completed yet, so I'm gonna have to do that. I gotta mount a seat, play with that steering wheel placement. There's a few other things I need to do in here. But yeah, I'm super thrilled for this thing. I think the goal for it is gonna be most likely a twin turbo small block or a big single turbo small block. We're gonna see if we can't get into the 4s in the 8th mile with this car. It should be very light. I have yet to scale it, so we're gonna see about that. But I'm gonna make sure that we get into the 4s. Should be making north of 1200 horsepower with whatever combination ends up in the car, and we'll see what ECU I end up going with. I'll take y'all along for the journey there, deciding what I choose, wiring it up, building the turbo kit. I'm going to try to do everything in-house that isn't already done. That's kind of what I've always done with all of my cars. So I just don't like leaving my cars in other people's hands, even if they're very capable hands. There's only a few people I really trust with my stuff. So yeah, gonna see how this goes. I'm excited to show this one to y'all. Excited to get working on it here soon. We'll see if this can be kind of our 2024 goal. Try to have this done and making passes out at XRP here in Ferris. With all that said, make sure you head over to hgmanufacturing.net. Check out all the products that I've been loading into the website and trying to offer you people. We've got the billet map sensor mounts for 3, 4, 5 bar GM style map sensors, 3-port and 4-port boost control solenoids, billet boost control mounts, trigger wheels for small block Fords, and soon to have big block Chevys. Whatever you order today will ship today and usually will be at your door in 2 to 3 days.